This next video will show you how to merge SKUs. This would be an example where you needed to merge one SKU into another SKU. Maybe that SKU was created two different ways, you have it in there twice, it has history for both SKUs, but they really need to be merged just into one SKU number. Maybe you called one SKU one way, with maybe you misspelled it or put the wrong number, and you created the second SKU a different way, and you just really need to get all that history into one SKU. So how you're going to do that is you're going to click on Inventory, you're going to click on Stock Maintenance, and you're going to click on Merge SKUs. This will bring you into the Merge SKU screen. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to bring up the SKU that you want to get rid of, that you want to merge it from this into the correct SKU. So you can either use the SKU lookup or you can type it in and press enter, and that SKU then will come up into the merging SKU details on the left. If for some reason you need to clear this, then you can click on the clear merging SKU and start over. Once you pull up the SKU, the merging SKU details that you want to get rid of, now you're going to pull up and select the SKU that you want to merge this SKU into, and press enter. Now you'll see that correct SKU to the right, the receiving SKU details. So once I click on merge, it will take this SKU and all the history and merge that into the one on the right. So that way you only have the MR993GL, but all of the history for both of them will be in this one SKU, so you don't have those duplicate SKUs. Or maybe you have it in 3 different ways or 4 different ways where you need to merge them all into that one SKU. Before you merge, if you typed in something incorrect, you can click on Clear Receiving SKU, and then you can go ahead and pull it up. It'll clear that receiving SKU details to the right, and then you can pull up the correct one. It'll pull it up, and then once you're ready to merge what's on the left into the right, then you can click on the Merge button at the bottom. You'll get a message that just kind of tells you you're about to merge this. Are you sure you want to do that? It'll merge all historical data for both SKUs into the MR993GL. That's what I typed into the right. And are you sure you wish to continue? If you want to continue, then all you got to do is click on yes. And that'll merge that information into that one SKU. If you had any other SKUs that you wanted to merge, you could do the same thing. So if you had another SKU, maybe you had it in 3 different ways, you could pull up that SKU that you want to get rid of, select it, and then pull up the MR993GL like I had, and that'll be in the one on the right, and then you can merge the details of that SKU on the left into the one on the right. So it's a good way of cleaning up SKUs that are created more than once that shouldn't be. So that concludes the video on how to merge SKUs.